Welcome to 1047 Cheltenham Road here in the Mission Canyon Heights neighborhood of Santa Barbara, California. This is a wonderful place to call home. The Mission Canyon Heights neighborhood sits in the lower foothills of Santa Barbara, offering wonderful scenic views overlooking downtown Santa Barbara with the backdrop of the Pacific Ocean and Channel Islands. This property is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, single level. The facade has a beautiful Spanish Mediterranean feel, and the inside has design elements that blend Spanish Mediterranean with traditional craftsmen. Come on inside and take a look. The great room has a wonderful light and bright feel, focused around the fireplace and the wonderful flow between the inside and the outside. You've got beautiful Spanish tile throughout this main part of the living room. Sizable dining room with a coffered ceiling and a stunning craftsman light fixture. And then the crown jewel of the property that we'll come back to later on, but it's this beautiful gourmet kitchen. The property was gutted and rebuilt in 2004, so it really looks and feels like a newer built home. I'm going to take you down the hall first, and we're going to go into the master bedroom suite here on our right. And the layout was well designed, affording the master suite scenic views of the ocean and islands. So here we are in the master bathroom. You can really see the craftsman design elements here in the space. You've got the double vanity, ocean views, and a large walk-in shower. As we go back into the master bedroom, here on your left, you have a spacious walk-in closet with a closet organization system, really maximizing the storage space. You've got great quality construction in this house, including solid wood doors. Here's your second bedroom. This space is designed perfectly for a flexible usage, including a home office with this great built-in that includes a working desk and additional storage and bookshelves. This door closes off with a pocket door. Here's your third room in the house. This overlooks the scenic backyard. The home offers air conditioning, including a new Nest thermostat. And then here's your second bathroom in the house. Good other features, including beautiful bullnose corners, giving that classic Spanish Mediterranean feel. Here we are back in that gourmet kitchen. You've got shaker cabinetry, more along the lines of the craftsman architectural design. Dual Fisher and Paykel dishwasher drawers, maximizing convenience. Other quality appliances including a Sub-Zero fridge and a Wolf range. This is a little niche that opens up to the hallway. And as we go outside, you can see that the washer and dryer is recessed into the cabinetry, so it can be closed off to look like the rest of the kitchen, but also is very convenient and easily accessible. One of the rare things about this property in particular is the majority of homes in the Mission Canyon Heights neighborhood are 2- and 3-story construction, given the hillside composition. But this home is completely single level and offers a very usable surrounding lot. This is your backyard. It's terraced, so it's all usable, and you've got a row of citrus trees. Getting great afternoon sun. Great privacy from neighbors with fencing and hedging. This property has a great flow from the inside to the outside. Here is your double doors that open up to that kitchen and dining room, and it flows out perfectly for alfresco dining. That little hidden path in the back garden area leads up to a hot tub location. The hot tub's recently been removed, but it's a perfect location to slide in a new hot tub, and it's already has hookups for electrical. The 2-car garage recently had a new drainage system put in. Plenty of room for outdoor amenities here. We're back here at the front of the house. You can see all the beautiful surrounding views. Unfortunately, it's not a good view day, but you can see that you've got a decent swath of blue, both left and right, from several locations, looking over the Santa Barbara shore. We've got a front planter currently being constructed here at the front of the house. I'm going to take you down to the garage next. All of the pathways and driveway is this low maintenance paver, and then here you have access to your 2-car garage. In addition to the 2-car garage, you have plenty of off-street parking with easily enough room for 4 or more cars here in the driveway, and there's additional street parking for another few spots directly below the house. This is a beautiful trumpet vine that's most of it's not in bloom right now. But you can see that and looking back to the front facade of the house. So thank you so much for joining us at this private tour of 1047 Cheltenham Road. To schedule an in-person tour, please do reach out to your agent or a Z Group Realtor partner.